Okay, so this is Louis John the Baptist Street of Louis John Baptist. So we're just going to walk down that little street and we're going to go all the way across. And then just to give a little context, we're in Vulong. So Vulong is where they filmed a K-pop video called New Face. So that was filmed on this street right here. But we're going to be focusing on that street and trying to go across the street. And this is the other side of Vulong as well. Nice street lights. And we're going to try to go directly across if we can get through that main street over there. We'll see if we can or not. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so street of Louis John Baptist. I've never seen like Luis Joao Baptista. It's like literally means like Louis John Baptist, John the Baptist, John the Baptist and Louis. I've never seen John the Baptist and Louis together as a Catholic myself. So we're gonna go all the way across. We got some pretty cool balconies actually. So Macau does have some beautiful balconies. And we're going to try to go across that street as well. But you can see there's places to sit in the spaces as well. So we're going to target that in a second as well. But we're going to come all the way up to this rail and just take a look across. But I think that's still our target street right there. So trying to get over there might be a challenge, but that's our focus. We might have to go that way and then over like that. But anyways, this is where we're starting at Louis Joao Baptista. This kind of cool little space. There's a beautiful space. You have a little trash. You can throw your trash away if you're hanging out in that space a little bit. So that's our main road that comes. It's a one-way street that comes all the way down. And we're going to try to get over there. So the only way to get over there is to come down this way. So we're going to come on down. And I think either that, we'll see if that Joao Baptiste, Louis Joao Baptista was a, we'll see if it was, what do you call that? If it was cut in half by the street or not. You know, streets keep changing, right? So sometimes there's streets, there's another street on the same one that's cut in half. I think it's the next one down. It's kind of a cool looking building, look at that. Like a wealth management center. We'll try to capture that from the other side. And we are going to try to cross over here. Give you a little context here. Beautiful garden. Cemetery Road. That's Topsic over there. Tons of tour guides. And we're going to try to go back down to John Baptist. Let's see. So, okay. So we're going to go across there in a second. But yeah, a lot of cars, they can either go up this way towards the cemetery in Kung Wu Hospital and a lot of residential stuff, or they can go north. This is a north direction. It goes through Topsic. And of course, we're going to go this way. Flowers don't tell, they show. That's interesting. Okay. So we're gonna focus on our target street. And we'll see if if that street was actually cut in half. Because to be honest with you, very few people would walk across because you cannot. So we'll find out if it was actually cut in half or not. This has all these little art spaces. I'd like to go down in here too, but that would have to be another video. But they have like a bunch of little shops in that space. We'll just try to go down this street to the left and to see. Still the same name, I can see it already. So it is Rua de Louis Joao Baptista. Probably the first person ever to it's like a shoe shop. So actually, that's actually the same target street right there. Street of Louis John the Baptist. So it does come across like that. Cheese Cafe, flourless chicken. So that's where we started at. We started right over on that side, right? And now we're over on this side. So look, come up this side as well. And they also have the same kind of same structure. So we got 1, 2, 3. And I think they might have another one on that side as well. So we'll take a look in a second. So that was the other side we were on. They had 1, 2, 3 as well. Okay, so we're gonna walk down it. Barbershop. I was gonna walk down this real quick. So this was kind of where I was telling you about, but we're gonna continue down this way in a second. There's a balcony right there. It's like they're mostly closed right now. Yeah, mostly closed. So that was that street that we walked by. So there's more that goes all the way down that way and another set like that. And then of course this is the entrance. Kind of a cool little space though. So actually that is kind of interesting. That looks like kind of like church-like. That is also the same street too. It goes all the way up to there. So that is actually the street that goes so we basically have, this is the middle one. So it's cut by that street right there. Then it keeps going on. And then it goes all the way down to that side as well. We're gonna see if we can walk. And I think this one is actually a cafe. I think that's a really popular place. I've seen people go there before. So we're gonna continue up there in a second. This is still our target street. Right there. We'll go up that way as well. That's an incinerator. But right there is that little espresso shop. It looks like they also have a second story up there as well. So yeah, that's a little coffee shop. And then if we could go all the way down, we would, and it'd go down to Boulogne, right? But you have to go over that one pass. So let's go down this way. And this would be completing our street. Got a nice little painting. I'll show you in a second. So we come out over here. And that's still our street right there. And Louis John the Baptist. Luis João Baptista. And I'm just gonna show you real quick. It also says like, there's like a giant reference to, right? So I guess that Baptist Street is kind of goes all the way down. I don't know if we can go across or not. We could go over there. That's Royal. That's a cool building over there. It's kind of a Moorish. It's very unique. There's Casino Lisboa. Pentecostal Assemblies of Canada. Huh. Okay. So that's our target street right there. All the way down. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.